Hello everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review Xiaomi Redmi 7 global version smartphone. This was sent to me by Banggood.com for unboxing and review. Banggood sell a lot of tech gear, quality products at excellent price. Let's get into unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Redmi 7 smartphone. The Redmi 7 is the fastest in its class and is a powerful smartphone. Some of the top features: 6.26-inch HD Plus with dot drop display with 19.9 aspect ratio with Gorilla Glass 5 for screen durability. 4000 milliamps high capacity battery that will give you easily for 2 days worth of run. Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 high efficiency octa-core performance provides faster and smoother operations. Dual AI camera with 12 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. The AI powered blurring is also supported. Sleek curved back covering giving you a stylish look. It has 2+1 slot design which supports up to 512GB storage. It's available in 3 dazzling colors: red, black and blue. Let's test the camera in different conditions. Let's quickly test the audio playing some YouTube videos.
साइकिल पे घुमा है हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगा के देख स्पीड में तुझको अग्रेसिया मैनू छड़ के गई.
Final words: it's a great powerful smartphone with some advanced features which are usually found only in high-end Apple or Samsung phones. Price point is amazing. The only thing I wish it was waterproof or IP certified or some details mentioned about it. But at this price, I don't think you can go wrong. Like always, I will place all the details about the product in the description of the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me a review request and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.